Hello everybody, this is Sonia, and I have another parcel. I got a message from Sue Freeman to tell me that she would like to send me another parcel. She only just sent me a parcel, but she sent me another parcel. So I got this yesterday. I'm just going to open this up here. I'll cut this open here and see what we've got in the parcel. Oh, I've got parcels in the parcel. I've got parcels. Wow. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. This one is looking at me. There's a card. There's a card, there's a card, there's a card. Thank you so much, Sue. You didn't have to do this. She said she had lots of things and she wanted to share with me. I don't think I can get that off of that chair on it. It doesn't matter. Okay. Hi Sonia, happy mail, sweet for the sweet. Thank you so much, Sue. That's very kind of you to send me another parcel. You didn't have to do this, darling, but she said she wanted to share with me. So I'm going to have a look and see what's in this one here. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness me, look at this. Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness, Sue, thank you so much. Oh, look at all this goodie. Oh, look at these. Oh. Look, it's got, oh, it's dangly, trim with, oh, thank you so much. It's a nice white one. I don't know if because I've got a white background there. I've better put a piece of something behind it. I don't know if I've got anything. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Oh, thank you so much. That's so nice. It's very kind of you people to share with me. It's very nice for you to do this. Very kind of you to share with me. Look at that. Oh, isn't this a dear little trim? Look. Wow. Oh, isn't this lovely? I hope I got this in the right place now. I think I have. I had the stand pushed back a little bit the other day when I did something and I couldn't see it all. I got a nice big lot of that. There's lots of here. Lots of, look at it. Oh, dear, look at this one. Oh, wow. Isn't this awesome? Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. Isn't this so pretty? Oh, I don't know, will I be able to use it? She said in the message that she said she was going to send me some white things and I'd be able to do something with them. Look at that, aren't they nice? Oh, because before she sent me all the coloured ones. Now she sent me this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lace that oh dear, thank you so much. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you. Thank you very much, Sue. That's very nice. I'm very blessed that people have sent me things, you know, like this. This is very kind of you. It's very, very kind. This is nice too. You can cut those probably pieces into applique, couldn't you? That's lovely. Thank you so much. And here's another piece. Oh, leaves. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh dear. She said when she gets a present, when she goes and when her family want to know what she wants, she gets some money so she can go shopping on eBay. How fun is that? I think I might do that the next time. Look, aren't these beautiful? Look at that. Wow. Oh, look, and they've got little bead things on them, so they... Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you. And there's another one. Oh, my goodness me, look at this. Oh, it's huge. Oh, look at that. Isn't that huge? Oh, thank you. It's so good. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate that so much. I'll put them in a bag in a minute when I find a nice bag to put them in. So we go back in here for the time being. No, I want to see them. I want to see them there. I want to see them. Thank you. Okay, and then we've got another one. Another one. Oh, I saw that. Sorry. I can't save him. There's more. Oh my goodness me. Oh wow. Thank you. Oh dear, look at this. It's really soft. Really very soft. This is pretty, isn't it? Oh. It's got little dangles. Oh dear. I don't think I've ever made it. I haven't made a lace book really with lots of dangly bits on it. I've made a couple a long time ago when I first started on it. I made a few, but and give them away. But isn't that nice? Sue, thank you so much for that. It's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't this lovely little trim? Look, isn't that so pretty? All the pretty little flowers. Thank you. And there's a lot of that. She sent me a whole bundle of that. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh, you can nearly roll yourself up in these things, couldn't you? I would have loved to have worn things, you know, that come down over your hands and made you look really flashy years ago, you know, in the Edwardian days maybe. Beautiful, beautiful things. This is lovely and it's a beautiful colour. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sue. That's beautiful. And I've got this really, really fine piece of lace. Look at that. Wow, that is very fine. Isn't that nice and soft? And I've got a whole heap of that. Thank you. This is a goodie bag. This one, if I've ever seen one. Thank you so much. I've got another one here. Oh, more laces. More. Oh, look at this. Oh no, it's not laces. It's oh my goodness. Oh wow. Look at the flowers. Oh, they're on a thing. They're on a string. Oh, isn't this good? Oh, aren't they pretty? Oh, I love the colour. Love the colour of this, and they're connected with a bit of tulle. You could put a diamond in that. Isn't that nice? I'm just about to start work on my next page too today. I wanted to do my next page. I've had visitors and then been busy with stuff from the house and everything, and I don't know, I just haven't got around to getting back to my page yet, so I'll be doing work on that this afternoon. I was just collecting up some stuff and had to open my parcel, of course, so thank you very much, Sue. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Lovely. I love the colour of that one too. Oh, look, diamonds on this. Wow. Aren't they good? Oh, look at that. I'm going to stick that in there. What do you think? And oh, that'll go on the other book, the shabby chic one. That'll look ducky on there, won't it? I'll cut that out and then put that on there. That's just absolutely awesome. Thank you so much, Sue. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. Geez, you do you got lots of different things too, haven't you? Lots of different interesting things. I'm going to look at the butterfly. I want to look at the butterfly. Oh, look at that. I've never seen white ones really, like you know, in the you know, that people get or that you can buy. Never sort of seen any coloured ones like these. These look really cool, don't they? Don't they look flashing? This is just the thing for me book. Oh dear. Now I'm building the thing up. What is this? This looks fluffy, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Gee, that's really nice. That's different. I've never got any like any of these. Like, you know, these are all new bits to me. Every single one. I've not got any sort of thing like any of them. Maybe some of the lace a little bit close to that, but this is just amazing. This is. I wonder what he'd look like with the diamond in his middle. Pretty cool, but not this colour. We'd have to go with a different colour, wouldn't we? All those is a trim. That is really nice, that. It is really nice. I love that. And it looks fluffy in it, but it's so soft and beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh dear. Oh, look at this. Silver leaves. Oh dear. I do have green ones. I had a little strip this long for years and I didn't want to use it. And I've used a little bit of it, but now I've got some silver. Wow. This is nice, isn't it? This will go good in me book. In me shabby chic sort of fabric paper book that I've put up there. I showed you a bit that I've done. I haven't done any. Like I said, I really want to get started on doing some more of these. Because when you're having people visit, I have to put away my stuff that goes out there in the lounge room because it takes up too much room. But I do it out there because I don't want to. Sometimes you just don't want to be in the craft room, and I like to be able to put it down and pick it up whenever. You know, if you're sitting out there, you think, oh gee, I should be doing something, but you can't just pop up to the room all day. So I just put it out there, and then I have to pack it all up when somebody comes. So, and then I've got one more. This is a heavy one. This is a heavy one. Ooh, oh yes, you told me about this, didn't you? you bought this piece of gypsy, a belt, she said she bought a thing like a belt. Look at that. Ah, wow. Isn't that awesome? Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, wow. And got all monies on it. Looks like it's been, but I suppose it looks supposed tarnished because it's supposed to be, but it could be a little bit aged, but that's good. It is amazing. Look at that. Oh, wow, thank you. And heavy, too. Very heavy. Somebody must have hulu'd with this on, or, you know, whatever it is, they danced. Is that around their waist? Oh, cool. I think you got that in one of your Vinnie's shops. You said you'd send me a bit, and this is really nice. Thank you so much. It's absolutely awesome. That is really good, Sue. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all these wonderful, wonderful things that you've sent to me. I am so lucky, and I'm so grateful that you would do this for me. Thank you so much. It is very, very kind of you. All these beautiful goodies. They're nice. Thank you. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And Sue doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she's one of my subscribers, of course, and she said, you know, she watches my channel and she's making a gypsy book, so she's sharing with me all these beautiful things that she keeps buying. Thank you so much for sharing. I find that so generous. I like to share, and I'm just waiting to get organised and a little bit more financial, and I'll be able to do a bit of sharing too. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I really love this, Sue, and thank you so much, darling, for these beautiful things. They are so lovely, every single last one of them. I love them all. Okay, so thank you everybody, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of what I do, and if you want to put a thing on the little bell that's sitting there, that will give you a link to me. Like every time I put up a video, that little bell will send my video to you, sort of thing. So I'll explain it better another time, I suppose. I'm sorry, I haven't got a computer with me, so I can't really tell you, but the pattern noise is my fan. I don't know why they make them noises, but they do after a while. But anyway, or just put a like, or leave me a comment. I do read your comments, and I can send you all a little heart, because I love all yours. And so thank you everybody for watching, and I'm going to come back and show you how to make the hobo beads in a couple of days. I can't, probably tomorrow. I'm hoping that I'll be able to do a couple of videos tomorrow and do a couple of tutorials. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll catch up with you later. Bye bye.